Hello, beautiful people. The last couple of days I was in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I brought few things with me. I put them into those bags, and some people are curious what others are bringing with them. So I think I'm gonna do one bag at a time. So yeah, which one to go with? Let's go with this one. The bag is empty, and that's the content of it. We have my, you're gonna focus, here we go. We got my eye contact solution, brushes from Wet. They're wonderful. This is a wet brush, which, all right, not like a brand one, but it's to be used underneath the shower. So what I like to do is apply my conditioner or mask and then just brush it through. This is a nice travel brush, mouthwash, toothbrush. Okay, that's a perfume which I bought when I was in Europe, but that's my REPURCHASE Acqua di Gioia. I do enjoy it. I'm not gonna call it a sea scent, but kind of it is. It's that fresh, simple. Let me just smell it. Hold on. It's kind of a flowery, but it's fresh and perfect for the summer. This one is not going to give you a headache. Then I have heat protectant, but because it gives you control, I use it like a kind of a hairspray. Toothpaste, soap, and here we have items. Some of the items. If you watch my empties video, I mentioned that if I will wait a week or two, I could have more products because some of them are almost empty, and this is one of them. That's the Clarins Double Serum, and I don't know, maybe I have one more use. It is a nice product. When you use it, you're not gonna really see the difference, but after you stop, your skin doesn't look the same and you're missing something. I use this one, let's call it for the last few years. I like it. It's not cheap, so obviously there is something similar on the market. This is Neutrogena Hydra Boost. However, I prefer the old version, the one with the little bubbles, because they have the vitamin C. This is the actual gel. It's not bad. That's another one which I'm almost done. That's the Vichy 89, their hydrating booster. This is wonderful. I use this. Okay, I went through a few bottles and I do like it. I already repurchased. Then we have toner. Yeah, it's a toner, something similar to SK2 from Misha. Okay, there's some contacts. Oh yeah, vitamin C from CeraVe. Yeah, and the sun decided to shine, so yeah, there are gonna be some special effects. Vitamin C, 10% okay, CeraVe, 10% pure vitamin C. I don't mind that because it's stable, it's not gonna oxidize, and also comes in a metal container. Oh wow, deodorant from Garnier. I think I have to move because it's a little bit too bright. Okay, a little better. Deodorant from Garnier. I brought this one from Europe, comes in different scents, and I do like it. When I'm gonna go back, I'm not gonna be surprised if I'm gonna purchase few more, but in different scents. Number 7 moisturizer for day. It's a simple moisturizer with SPF. ESTEE Supreme. It's thicker than this one, but you're gonna focus. Come on, focus you. Here we go. This is thicker than this one, but it still works as a moisturizer. Let me take those things out. Here we go. From Revlon, pore reducing primer. This it's empty, but I'm still scrubbing it. Okay, when I use the pump, nothing comes up, but I'm still able to take this one off and just scrub through the walls. Revlon, I don't think they don't make this one anymore. They come up with different primers, but this was wonderful. Eye cream from the same line or not? Really? Yes, it is an eye cream from the same line as this one. And again, you don't want to focus. Lip gloss from L'Oreal, that's their, I don't remember the name of the line. But either way, so it comes like this. This is a color 60. And then for the lips from Palmer's, their Cocoa Stick. It's universal, it's cheap, it does its job. Okay, so that's what I have for bag number 1. Of course, now you're still not gonna focus. And I'm gonna move over to bag number 2.